Cloud computing isn't magic, but it really is the reason your Netflix, Google Drive, and even banking apps work 24/7 from anywhere in the world. Hey, it's Chris from In the Cloud with Chris, where we break down cloud, DevOps, and AI without breaking your brain. Let's simplify how cloud computing really works. Yep, seriously. It's basically a fancy way of saying your data and apps live on big servers, rented from companies like AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud. IaaS, or Infrastructure as a Service, means you rent virtual machines, storage, and all that. Think AWS EC2. PaaS, or Platform as a Service, is where you just focus on code and the platform handles the rest, for example, Heroku or Google App Engine. And SaaS, Software as a Service, covers apps like Gmail or Zoom. You use it, they manage it. These cloud providers have servers everywhere, so you access data fast from Nigeria, New York, or Norway. Cloud platforms handle backups, encryption, monitoring, so you don't have to stay up all night babysitting your server. The first concept of cloud computing goes way back to the 1960s. They called it utility computing, like paying for electricity but with compute power. Cloud computing powers the digital world, and now you know how. Like, comment, and subscribe for more tech made simple. Follow In the Cloud with Chris everywhere, because we keep your head in the clouds, the smart way.